Hi guys, I said I would do a screencastify video of how to do the hanging indent. So what I have pulled up here is like a sample annotated bibliography that's not real. Okay, so if you try to actually read the words, they don't make any sense. If you look at the first insert that I have here, we're going to pretend that this is our first citation. Okay. You'll notice that this is set up in APA format with the name, block, date, double space, no extra spaces in between, Times New Roman, 12-point font, no extra spaces between the title. Title isn't underlined or bolded or anything like that. So you have your one source. So we're going to say this is a source. And it has the hanging indent correctly, okay? And then here you're going to have your actual summary. Okay, so you've got one source and it goes with one summary. So the next thing we want to look at is the second source. So here is the second source, okay, and it has not got the hanging indent. So that's what I'm going to work on first. So if you highlight the area that you want to put the hanging indent on, then you're going to go up to the top and you're going to drag the triangle with the rectangle attached over to 0.5. That means it is indented 1/2 inch. But if you notice that it took the top line, that honeycomb BD, it took it with it. So if you drag the rectangle, which is called left indent, and it only applies to the first line. See if I scroll over it just a little bit. That's moving both. Just get the rectangle. It's hard. This is an annoying part. First line indent. See how it keeps coming up like that? And drag that rectangle over to the margin, which is 0, 0, 0. Then now the top line is at the margin, but the second line is indented. Okay? So looking at it, you have the second source, and here is the second source summary. So you have the citation and the summary that go together, right? Okay, so now we're going to go to the third source. Looks like it starts with the words last name. So we're going to highlight all of the stuff that we need, move the ruler, from the triangle over to the 0.5, and then move the top rectangle back because the top, see it, every time I try to drag it, it drags the triangle too. You have to be very careful that you're just getting the rectangle on the top. And move it back to the 0. And that rectangle is what tells the first line what to do. So all the other lines are going to be at 0.5, but the top line is going to be at 0, 0. And that's what causes the hanging indent to look like that. Okay, so the same thing. Now we've got, this is the summary for this source. And if you notice that all of the, if you're looking at the format, then where the hanging indents go, then that's how it's visually easier to separate what it is that is a citation and what is the summary, okay? So you've got the citation and then the summary underneath it, citation, summary, and that's how it's split up. So your eyes want to look right here, right? Because that's where you're going in. So you've got the citation here with a summary. I don't know what I just did. And the citation here with a summary, and then a citation here with a summary. And that's how your annotated bibliography will do. Citation, summary, citation, summary. All right. I hope that helped.